Hey, freedom lovers. I wanted to share with you an issue that sometimes crops up with these vent free or ventless ice house heaters, so called ice house heaters, that you can buy on online at Walmart or the Jungle website. Um, I've got a couple of them here at the off grid cabin, and I'm just getting back after the winter. Um, and was just about to turn the heat on to go to bed. And I'll show you what it's doing, and then I'll show you how to fix it. And let me hit the light. Maybe you can see it better. All right, you see the shape of it. It's very low on the outer edges and very high in the middle. In fact, last time it was doing this, those flames in the middle actually licking up and out of the grill that's there. So I'm not going to run it too much longer because I have to take it apart. So just make a note of that pattern and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, I've got it apart and you can see over here where the gas comes out. It might, you probably can't even see it on video, but there's a very, very small amount of dust there. I mean, I can barely see it. And the first time I ever did this repair, I didn't think it was going to work because I opened it up and I saw how clean it was, and I thought, that's not the problem. But all you do is you vacuum in here as best as you can, then you put it back together and you get a much better flame. So here we go. All right, I'm going to put it back together and show you the difference. All righty, here we go. Now, you can see on the edges, it's a lot higher, and in the middle, it doesn't lick out of the top. It's much more even. It's still not really the way it was when it was new, but it's a lot better than it was a few minutes ago. That's on low. There is no low really. It's 8,000 BTU is the lowest setting, and the highest setting is 10,000 BTU. But much better. Flames aren't licking out of the top. Much more even flame. And I'm good for another season. All right. Thanks for watching, freedom lovers.